Oh, it's nasty. This is the mom mobile. That just makes me sad. It's a nice car. Nope. Yeah, you want to be part of the cleanup? You can be part of the cleanup team. Throw on the charger. Alright, let's see what we got. There's a whole bunch of junk mail. Woods. And actually, this is a 194, isn't it? Yep, there's a light bulb in there. So that'll be the video. So you can see, I actually have that for a light bulb. That's pretty cool. What am I doing? I'm doing deep cleaning today. I take it all up. Can't help but laugh at it now. It's just so bad. You know? Yeah. See if you find any cat food. Let me know. I just hope there's no stuck Jolly Ranchers. Stuck Jolly Ranchers is the worst thing for a vehicle. The heat melts them in and you're never getting that thing out ever. Never, never, never. Okay. One of the best things you can have in the world is women and children. But women and children do ruin many things. Unbelievable. I'm sure a lot of people can relate to this one. Look at this. Shoot. Just look at that. Ew, gross. Ew. That'll be a separate cleaning area. I'll just remove you, huh? It'll be a good time to wash this seat anyway. Unbelievable. Well, at least I found my hat. I don't know who out there eats these. These are gross. I don't know why kids like them. That tastes awful. Let me know. You know, that's way pretty good. Wow. That's a nice pen. Mind you, I probably cleaned this car thoroughly and carpet vacuumed, like soap and water carpet vacuumed 2 months ago. That's 2 months worth of damage, man. I've seen worse, but it's pretty nasty. Not too bad, because it's the driver's seat. Of course, it's clear. Okay. Not too much trash. We'll just take the floor mat out. Let's see what we got.